This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video of today we will discuss mid-dollar function, which is a string built-in function in GW basic programming language. So first we will learn the purpose. It actually returns the requested part from a given string and is an integer expression in the range 1 to 255. M is an integer expression in the range 0 to 255. The function returns a string of length m characters from x dollar beginning with the nth characters. So I'm gonna making all these special letters as bold, like N, again M, 1 to 255. The range of N is from 1 to 255, whereas the range of M is from 0 to 255. Likewise, if you can see the M characters, and the from x dollar is the expression beginning with the nth characters. If M is omitted or if fewer than M characters are to the right of N, all right most characters beginning with N function characters are returned. Now we'll discuss what are M and N in mid-dollar function. If M is equal to 0, or if N is greater than len x dollar, then mid-dollar returns as null string. Format is v dollar equal to mid dollar and then x dollar comma n bracket M, where N is the position from left to right, where N is the position from left to right, and M is the length of characters needs to be extracted from the $. Function. Now we will execute this example in the IDE for our better understanding how this function actually performs its functionality. On line 10, $, equal to we love our country, and then line 20, print $, $. Now keep it in your mind that $, contains the whole string, the whole expression, we love our country. $, comma 4, comma 4, line number 30, print $, $, comma 9, comma 8, line 40, and when we execute this program, then the output will be like first $, function returns. Since we can see that this 4 is the where N and M are two integer expression, so you can see that we have also learned that function returns a string of length M characters from S dot beginning with the N characters. N is the beginning of the characters and M is the length of characters. Here you can see, very important point to note. Okay, and if M is omitted or fewer than M characters, if M is omitted or if fewer than M characters are to the right of N, all rightmost characters beginning with N function characters are returned. So we can see that the value of N is right over here and the M is right over here, and M is the length of characters. Here you can see that this 4 is considered as N, which is the position of from left to right of the character, and this 4 is considered as M, because here if you can see the format, $, function is used. S dot is the expression and the expression is the $, which contains we love our country. So the starting position is N and M is the length of characters. So the starting position we can start from right over here, 1 2 3. Space is also considered and counted as a character, so we'll start right from W, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4, so 4, we are starting from 4, which is the letter L, and the length of characters M is also 4, so we will count from L1. L is considered as 1, counted as 1, and then O is 2 and V as third and E as fourth. So first $, will return LOVE as an output, and the second one is starting from 9 and the total length of the character M is 8. So we will start counting from the position N, which is 9. So we'll start counting from W1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So it is starting from O, and then we will write O as the starting character O, which is considered as N, and now the total characters, the length of character is M, which is 8. So we'll count from right from O, and we'll count 7 more characters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we will type our and then space and COUN. So if you count, there are total 4 characters in above: 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So our count, it will be returned in this case. So let's switch to the ID. We will execute this program to understand the concept how this is mid-dollar function returns a value. So let's switch to the IDE. Here we are, viewers. Now we'll write the program. On line 10 we will type $1 equal to we love our country. On line 20 we will type print mid dollar $1, comma 4,4. Line 30 print mid dollar $1, comma 9, comma 8. And line 40 will type A and the N, and then press the F2 key. So again you can see the whole value like we just discussed in the text area. The first print will return the 4 characters. M is considered as 4. This is considered as M. Length of characters, and this is 4, is considered as N, which is the starting position from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th character was L. Total length was 4, so it returns LOVE. And the second print mid dollar function is starting from 9. So if you start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, so it is starting from O and returns total M characters, which is the length of characters 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it returns our count. So this is how this mid-dollar function executes its operation. Whenever we use this mid-dollar function, so it returns the value this way. So it is a very interesting and very technical function. Most of the students are, taking time and take time to understand this function, but it's my maximum effort to make it clear from every angle. But always keep it in mind that this first integer is the N, which is the position from left to right. This is the position of the character from left to right, and this the second integer is the letter M, which is the total length of the characters. So this is how this function operates its functionality. So let's switch to the text area. Now I'm going to interpret this in above program. On line 10, $1 is a string variable, contains string expression. We love our country by using assignment operator equal to symbol. On line 20, print statement is used with mid dollar function, which will extract the position of character from left to right from fourth character and will return total and will return and display total 4 characters, so we can see LOV love extracted by using $, function on line 20. Okay, and on line 20 and on line 30, if you can see that on line 30, print statements using $, function will extract the position of character from left to right from 9th character and return display total 8 characters, so we can see our count extracted by using $, function on line 30. And on line 40, E and E and is used to represent the closing ending of the program. That's all. So we must keep in our mind that N and M has very much importance in performing the and taking out the string which are required, because it actually returns the requested part from a given string. So the requested part can be extracted by using the integer expression M and N. So these are very important to note. So both are very important, these two, M and N, because they are the key integer expressions which are used in extracting the requested part from a given string by using the $, function. Like here the N is here, over here is 4, and this M is over here is this again 4. This is the position from left to right, the starting, where N is the starting position, where N is the starting position, starting the position from left to right. This 4 is considered as N, starting the position from left to right, and this is considered as M, which is the total length of characters. Here in this case 9 is considered as N, working like as an N, which is the starting the position from left to right, and 8 is the total length of the characters. So it is easy to understand if you keep concentrating on N and M, how N works and what is the value of N, what is the role of N and what is the role of M. If you understand the role of N and M in $, function, then you can easily understand the functionality and how $, function return values by using N and M, which are actually the integer expression. That's all. Thanks for watching.